Now, what we call that one as? Okay, SERP. What is SERP?
Search engine result page.
Exactly, but how did you get this, gentlemen? How did you get this?
Sir, already I was searched for a lot, sir.
Okay, so it's self-learning, correct?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
yeah,
Wonderful.
even in the very beginning itself, we have indicated all these SERP
Okay,
or SEO like that.
good. So actually, whenever I try to talk about the technology-based content in the initial stages, I will repetitively use the advanced terms. Okay, right? I will repetitively use the advanced terms. The reason because when we use it in the later stage, we don't find it technically difficult. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay, that is one. SERP, search engine results page. What are we going to see in this session is how do we understand SERP or what is SERP? It is very important. As I've already said, search engine results page is called SERP. It is nothing but whenever we search a query in search engine and hit the return or enter button, the results displayed after searching the search engine database is called search engine results page. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So whenever you go search something online, you are going to get some results. And the page is called SERP, search engine results page. I'm going to google.com. It is opening. Inside google.com, I'm going to check Realme 7 Pro features. Correct? And what I have used here, Realme 7 Pro features, is a query or it's a keyword. Okay. Once I hit enter, the results that is displayed is called SERP, search engine results page. The expansion itself says search engine results page. Correct? Okay. If you look into these results, there are lots of results coming. The common things inside SERP, what are the things that you will find here? Okay. Number one, you will find a title. You will find a URL. Title, URL, a description. This is mandatory. Without this, you cannot see a search engine results page. Look here. This is basically called the title. And this is description. And what we have at the top, this is URL. Okay. I cannot highlight that one separately, but still. The first one is URL, the second one is title, and the third one is the description. The third one is the description. Okay, are we seeing some echo?
Slightly some echo is there.
Slightly. I don't know how. Is my voice is giving one echo? I'm just wondering. Okay. Raju sir, can you please put yourself on mute? You have two IDs, sir. Can you put another ID on mute?
Mine, sir. No, I have put another ID and mute, sir, already.
I want both ID to be on mute. I want to check it out.
I have to put mute for both ID, yeah?
Yeah. I want to check where is the echo coming. Yeah. Now the echo is not coming. Okay. Raju sir, are you using speaker?
No, I'm not using
No.
any speaker, sir.
No.
No.
Okay. I think it is okay now. No, it's still
No, it is.
echoing. Still it is echoing. 1 minute, sir. Can you please put yourself on mute again? Just put yourself on
One
mute.
second.
Okay, so I think it's normal. Wonderful, sir. So I think we are facing some issue. Raju sir, you can be on mute. If you have a doubt, please do raise it. Okay.